Alright, guys. Yeah, I did early bird. I got a few lucky bucks. I got a dookie out of them. I also got this secret lucky box. Yeah, let me get the secret. I also got. There's only 6k of these. Look, I can show you. Wait, it was on YouTube somewhere. I can show you. Let's see. Oh, what does it say? Where does it say? What? Bro. Oh. Whoa.
My brain, feeling
Kalos
pain.
is live. Let's see. Where's my search history? No, where's my history, I mean? What? What is that? Right, guys, that's on private. You don't need to see that. Ooh, history here. Which one is it? Are you sure I watched them? What? Shorts? No. It's the one I've watched. It says... this.
Monty,
What?
I know what to do. You know on mics? So basically,
They can hear me. My fans can hear me. People can hear me. MN Gaming can hear me. You don't need a mic. You don't need a mic to talk. I know. Basically. Are you in a video? You're doing a video. I just need to go a sec. I'll tell you when you just talk. I need to find one of these So, no, yeah, cursed. As you can see, 6,000 cursed Laromantic Grandes. 6,000 cursed Laromantic Grande, 51,000 gold, 22,000 diamond, 6,000 candy, 6,000 cursed, 4,000 rainbow, 2,000 lava, 1,000 radioactive, 1,000 yin yang, 1,000 galaxy, 500 blood rot. I'm just going to zoom into cursed for you. Yep. Yeah.
Sammy deleted over 50,000 La Romantic Grande, and this is actually real. During the last admin abuse, there were update issues, and because of that, Sammy
Yeah, so I just wanted to do that, you know. So yeah. You can watch me do my thumbnail now. you can watch me do my thumbnail. Wait. This is how I do my thumbnail. Go, 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 here, here. And now, I can upload this video.
Started the servers right in the middle of the abuse. That restart...